Welcome to Montana Meat and Taters. Here's your garlic and herb porterhouse steak tutorial. First, we're going to fry up some bacon bits so that we can use the grease for the steak later. So set it aside. And then we're going to heat up our pan. Cast iron is what I use. Season it with salt and pepper and sear both sides. Salt and pepper both sides. Then we're going to get the other cast iron pan that has the grill marks on it. And then we have some garlic bulbs that I've peeled. And we'll just place them in there, add a little thyme leaves, and then here's your set aside bacon grease from earlier. Let that melt in there. And then I take the garlic after it gets soft and kind of rub it all over the tops of the meat. Add a little bit more thyme, and then finish it off with a slab of butter. And then you put it on your baked potato that you made previously from a previous video. And then here's where you can use your bacon bits. And there you go. One beautiful steak and baked potato dinner. Subscribe if you like. Thank you.